mga kababayan. So ngayon po, it's our second day here in Vietnam at ngayon ay nandito kami sa isang coffee shop. Ano pangalan ng coffee shop na ito, madam?
Hidden Gem.
Hidden Gem. Hidden Gem Coffee Shop, and right now we're trying their salt coffee. Hot coffee. So try natin. Feeling ko, na-try ko na to before. Oo. Pero hindi ko na matandaan yung lasa, so let's try it again.
Salty and bitter content.
Salty and bitter. May pagkakampala lang. So nandyan na rin sila, PJ. Si JR ay nandun. Namimili siya ng gusto niyang bilhin. May napili ka na? Ito na. 500 eh. Ayan. Tuteng is right there. So let's try. Let's try their coffee.
Ang ganda ng place.
Dito, hindi ko na gano'n.
Nostalgic.
We can order.
Kasi ano siya, vintage.
Order na kayo, pupunin namin doon o pupunta kami doon?
Hindi pa. Pupunta pa.
No, it's okay. It's better. Kasi, ano na yun.
Hindi ko lang talaga ng foreigner.
Anong taste?
Kasi ano pala,
tita.
the Queen and King of Belgium was here last January.
Yes.
Kasi may mga pictures ng Queen and King of Belgium. Wow.
This is already my second coffee. Tingnan natin kung makakailang kape ako for the day. Pero yun. Pero ang pupuntahan po kasi namin ngayon is Halong Bay Cruise. So mamaya mas bibigyan namin kayo ng mas maraming details or ng mas maraming view nung pupuntahan namin. Kaya naman watch out. Kung merong nagbigay sa amin ng cheesecake, hulaan nyo kung sino. Ayan, papakilala ko sa inyo ang sponsor ng aming cheesecake ngayon.
Welcome. Ako nagbumili yan.
Ay, sorry.
Ako ang nagbigay.
Ito pala. Sorry. Ito. Siya po ang sponsor ng aming cheesecake. Mukhang mukha. Ayan, so kain muna po kami while having coffee. Okay, let's eat.
Tawag na tayo.
Hindi pa. Ayan po, so nandito na kami sa bay kung saan sasakay kami ng, anong tawag dyan sa boat? Ferry. Sasakay kami ng ferry in a while. Ayan po yung mga ferry. Nandyan. So dyan kami sasakay. Ngayon, kompleto naman na kami. Nandyan na sila yung mga kasama natin from the Philippines. Wow. Ayan. So handa na kami para sumakay ng ferry. Doon din kami magla-lunch and then dinner, I think. So let's go. So meron na kaming mga ticket na ibibigay natin kay Kuya para tayo ay papasukin. Ayan. Papapasukin ba ako ni Kuya? Ano ba ito? Where can I put it? Can I leave it here? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, so no battle pala. Napagalitan pa ako ni Kuya. Sorry. So yung lahat ng food siguro dapat bibilihin dun sa ferry. Pero actually parang ano yata, free lunch naman yata kami. So let's see. Tingnan natin kung totoo. Let's enjoy the day. Hindi ganun kaganda yung weather. It's a little gloomy. Right now medyo madilim po. Baka umulan pa nga eh. So tingnan natin, magki-cave pa daw kami. Hindi ko alam kung ano experience yun kung umuulan, baka mas mahirap. Pero yan. Sige, pakita ko muna po sa inyo yung mga ferry na nandito. No? Ayan. Yes. Ayan. Yan yung mga ferry, pero hindi po kami dyan sasakay. Mukhang ano naman, kasi per table na kagad siya. Oh. May nakikita na ako ng mga table. So, eto, mukhang tapos na sila mag-cruise. So, let's see. Ayan o. Meron din dito mga bilihan pa ng damit just in case gusto nyong makahabol, humabol. Tapos jacket meron din dito. Bumili pa ako ng jacket kahapon kasi nga sabi malamig. Pero meron naman pala dito. Pero more likely mas mahal po dito. Ayan. Ito sa ferry na ito, Sunlight Grand Cruise. So, Sunlight Grand Cruise.
Okay, so now that is a boat. Sorry, this is a boat. Everybody will going all between your teeth. If you don't remember, please take a picture of the boat.
Ito siya si Kuya kanina. Ito yun.
Ayan, so sasakay na po tayo ng ferry. Nag-aabot si ate ng towel, oh. I don't know kung bakit may towel. Suman daw. Suman ba yung PJ? Lumpia yata yan. Ayan. May binibigay na towel si ate. Thank you so much. Oh, there's the towel. Is it hot? Oh, it's cold.
Thank you.
Cold towel. Thank you. Cold towel. Bakit kaya may cold towel? Para saan kaya? So, we'll check for our table. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung view. Yung initial view.
Ano na agad? May
So, ang dami ng tao. Mukhang puno na.
Welcome to Sunlight nakasulat.
Welcome to Sunlight Grand Sunlight Grand. So, yan. Ang daming food and ang dami na ding tao. So, let's see kung saan kami upo. Ayun. Mukhang dito kami upo. This is where we're going to sit. And then, dito na lang ako sa dulo. Saan ka, JR? Where do you wanna sit ba? Anywhere in the world? Dito na lang ako sa dulo kasi gusto kong mag-capture ng mga video na nasa sa labas para mas malinaw. Ayan, may isa na naman dumarating. So, ayan. Surprise siyang waiter.
Ano pala pag sinurprise ko kayo? Wedding ko pala.
What? I'm so happy for you. In case. Ayan, so nandito na tayo, nakaupo na tayo dun sa table.
Please wait for me.
Yeah!
You sure?
Ayan, so may
Okay, do you know how to
pa-welcome drink
drink
which
like
is
Vietnamese?
green tea. Daw.
In Vietnam, we are very noisy people when we are drinking. Yeah, that's why in Vietnam we make it very loud. The whole
May pa-cheers daw, guys. Cheers! Mot hai baso. Mot hai baso.
Okay, everybody, are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah, I need it louder. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, together we say Mot, Hai, Ba, Zo. Beautiful, thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so if it is busy, we can have another 2 toilets at the second floor. But you can see that because we are doing the tour together, so that's why after you use the cash or card doesn't matter. But you pay by card, you're checking 4% for the bank fee. The speedboat ticket is not included. It is 300,000 Vietnam dollars per person. The last thing not included, that is tip is not included. At the end of the trip.
Okay guys, so ngayon magla-lunch na po kami. So buffet yung food. Kaya naman pipila lang kami dito. Kaya nakapila na sila actually. So pipila na lang din ako. So let's video muna tayo ng mga view dito sa side. Ayan. Ay, mas maganda pala dito. So labas muna ako para po makita ninyo yung view. Kung gaano kaganda yung lugar. Ayan. Ayan o. Grabe ang ganda. Yan naman po yung makikita natin dito sa unahan. Talaga namang napakaganda nung tanawin dito kasi makikita talaga yung mga bulubundukin na part na nandito. Tapos sa side is of course yung tubig. Though hindi ganun kalinaw yung tubig. Ayun, brownish po yung kulay ng tubig. Tapos yung panahon ngayon medyo gloomy, hindi ganun, walang araw na nagpapakita. Actually medyo umaambon-ambon pa nga. Yun ang very light. Kakain na sila. Ito po yung food ko. Hindi man po ako masyadong gutom kaya ano lang, konti lang. Kumakain na kami lahat. You wanna watch it? Can I? On video?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so excuse me everyone. Yeah, sit down please. It take only about like 5 more minutes only.
Ayun po, so lumabas muna kami dito sa parang island sa isang isla kung saan
So, labas muna tayo dito sa isang
mag-ano lang tayo, try tayong mag-explore kung anong meron dito. Pwede daw dito pumunta doon sa taas, pero I don't think na pupunta pa kami ng taas. We'll see. So pakita ko lang po sa inyo yung view. Ayan, dami pong tao na. Daming tao ngayon. Sorry. Pag tumitingin ka sa taas na parang nakakatakot baka ano yung bato?
Nakalas kasi si President 1960s.
Ayan po si T-Top. So yan daw ay naka-launch ni Ho Chi Minh noong 1960. So kaya sa kanya pinangalan ang T-Top Island. Yan, ito po yung isla na yan. Tapos kung makikita nyo po dito, merong sand. I don't know kung natural sand to pero I don't think it is natural na. Feeling ko nilagay lang to.
Hindi ako maniniwala ang totoong sand dito dahil wala namang corals dito para magkaroon ng sand deposits dito.
Feeling ko lalagay lang to, no?
Nilagay lang yan para merong
Ayan, lakad muna tayo dito sa sand. Na-miss ko na rin ulit ang isla. Ayan, so maraming tourist na nandun sa tabing dagat. Okay naman, malinis din naman yung tubig nila dito. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda nung isa. Ayan. Ang ganda po nung isa dun, oh. Ang laki. Yung isang ferry. Ayan, so malinis naman. Malinis naman po siya. Ayan, oh. Kaya lang umahambon na po. Ayan, umahambon na. Umahambon na mga kababayan. Pero napakaganda po dito. Kaya lang kailangan na guys. Mukhang palakas na to. Let's go. Takbo, takbo. Takbo na. Bago pa ako dumami. Ayan po, so nakapamasyal na kami. Pero hindi masyado kasi nga umuulan, umahambon. Hindi nakakatuwang hindi nakakatuwang makiat. So hindi na po kami umakyat ng bundok. Pero nandito na ulit kami sa ferry. So babalik na kami. Ayan, medyo nakagard na yung mask. Ayan, ang daming naghihintay dito sa Pantalan. Ayan, so dahan-dahan daw kasi baka madulas. O baka mahulog. Easy, easy.
Everybody stay in the same floor. Let me check everybody same floor.
Okay, let's come at your same floor, same table. Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan po, so bumaba muna kami ng ferry dahil mag-i-speedboat naman kami. Ngayon kukuha muna kami ng life vest just to be safe bago kami sumakay ng speedboat. Let's go. So sasakay na tayo ng speedboat, guys. So dito, yan yung sasakyan namin. So nandyan na ang Team Philippines. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo.
Okay, right. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Yeah.
All right, everybody ready? Ready. quite big area over here. So if you look at on the left side, now you can see more mountains. We got about 1,969 island here. It's actually the year Ho Chi Minh President died. But you know, over here they got so many kind of different islands with so many kind of different names. We got a frog island, we got the dog island, we got chicken island, we got the butterfly island, and then butterfly island, butterfly cave. That is in front of you here. Just thinking about that image. Yeah, what it look like maybe inside the cave. There is small little maybe a butterfly over there. And then anyone who would like to pay me more, we can go further, make your challenge. And then we go this way, and then we go to China. And sometimes if we see any boat come illegally to Vietnam to get oil, we will fight for that. And then of course I'm exactly the first guy who run away first. And then go this way 8 hours, we can go to China. And then if you turn right, go around, we can go to Ho Chi Minh City. And then over here sometimes you can see the big truck, big vans, big container, maybe a big ship on the boat here, on the overseas here. They carry the oil, they carry the sand, carry the wood. But around 2000, around 16, 17, one of the Chinese boat came over here illegally and get the oil here. And then everybody, we don't find back, but we post it up on the news that yeah, they came here illegally, please come back like that. So now we keep further to see more things. Okay, hold tight. Everybody ready? Ready! Okay, let's go! Yeah!
Let's go! Oh my God, Peter Pan ulit. Peter Pan ko.
Oh, long time!
All the time. Okay.
what it look like? Do you think it look like a head and then that is a mouth? Yeah. So that is maybe the people they calling the head cave because it look like maybe a head of you, and then that is an empty that look like some teeth, the teeth and then the mouth. But around 2019, James Bond he came over Hạ Long Bay big area here to making a films in Hạ Long Bay big area. And then after that he come back here again. He want to make another film over here, but he said like he want to break down some mountains here. But we say no. We can't break down some nature here. Do you know why Hạ Long Bay forming? Do you know? Can you guess why the Hạ Long Bay forming? Because of the volcano. Volcano. Yeah, about like a million years ago, they already say like some the little cave over there. If you see whenever we go over there, you can see something like a cooker. Some the good. Some people they cooking over there. Because people they say like they were French people. They find out this little cave. They live for it at a head cave. But when they do fishing over here, but suddenly raining, the big wind coming, and then they have to stay away, and then we run away. And then they go up over there hiding at the cave, going maybe run away from the flooding. Because sometimes here we don't know exactly how many islands in Hạ Long Bay big area over here. Because sometimes up and down, some small little island disappear forever. So that's why they just going around 2,000 island only. So now you can stay over there one by one group people. I take a picture for everyone. Okay? That's alright. Anyone come over here. For the clean water, they support the water. Because over here they don't have the fresh water. They need the water here pumping from the land to the heavy ship.
So natapos na po ang ating speedboat ride. Alis na si Kuya.
Jason, right? Jason.
Ayan, so ngayon naman po, ito naman po ang susubukan nating sakyan. Kasama pa rin ang ating mga kaibigan. Ayan, so susubukan namin sumakay dyan. Pero actually hindi naman ganun ka, hindi naman masyadong mahirap gawin, I think. Merong option din ng kayak, pero mukhang hindi na kami magkakayak kasi parang naman yan. Normal naman sa even sa Philippines. So ito lang itatry namin. Bamboo ang tawag nila dito, pero wala namang bamboo dun sa sasakyan. Hindi ko pa alam kung bakit. Baka originally kasi made of bamboo yung ganitong sasakyan, kaya tinatawag nila na bamboo. Pero itong specific na mga sasakyan na nandito, wala namang bamboo.
Okay, ngayon naman kami sa
Ayan, para po
Hola. Buenas tardes.
say ka na dito. Meron ba?
Pasok tayo din sa kuweba na yun.
Ang pinagbabawal na
Kuweba ni Adan.
kuweba.
Kuweba ni Adan.
Ang tawag sa kanya, hanluhon.
Hanluhon.
Ano? Hanluhon.
Para siyang ano sa Ayan, so napunta muna po ako dito sa taas, dito sa 3rd floor nung ferry na sinasakyan natin para lang mapakita ko sa inyo yung kung ano yung meron dito. So, pagdating ko, pagkakit ko, meron ditong swimming pool. Yung una kong agad. Ayan, so meron ditong swimming pool, though hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Maliit lang. I think it's more for kids. Yung ano niya. Siguro nasa 2 feet. Maliit lang. Pero ang maganda dito is ang ganda ng view. Ayun o. JR. Tapos dun sa kabila, ayun, kitang-kita nyo yung mga kabila na ano din, mga ferry. Ayan. So, I'll do a 360 para makita nyo lang yung nasa saan. Balik dito. Ayan. kilo. Ayan, so that's the 360 degrees view ng deck dito sa 3rd floor ng ferry. So, ayan, isuswimming pa rin sila. Si JR is nag-enjoy.
Yung pangalan naman.
Over there, everyone, you can see the name of the ship. The name of the ship. The first word Hang, it means cave. Hang means cave. And so means surprise. Surprise. Hang and so means surprising cave. Over there, Hang and so means surprising cave. So, I don't want to say this cave was.
Okay guys, so ang daming nakapila hanggang sa baba. Medyo
Siguro din ko na nagbiyak na yung kalati.
So nasa hagdan kami ngayon. Ayan, so so ito po yung makikita dun sa loob ng cave. Actually, maliwanag na dito kasi nga dami ng ilaw. Tingnan natin, ayan. Oo. Even yung sa Boracay, meron din. Ayan. Pero bawal pong lapitan. Bawal puntahan. Ayan.
Halo, charo mandal.
Yan, so nandito pa rin tayo sa loob ng cave. Dito pa rin tayo. Ayan, grabe, sobrang dami ng ilaw. Well lighted na yung cave pagdating dito. Tapos meron ding photo booth sa mga gustong magpa-picture. Pero maganda. Kasi grabe.
But if you just take picture and take it small, the one is straight. Yeah, you just fly right like oh, done. Good. So everybody,
Sorry.
Ito tayong dalawa.
Ayan.
대학 계속 뚜껑 같아. 같이 하기.
Yeah. So yan, ang dami ito. Ayan po mga kababayan, so dito na nga po natatapos ang aming tour, ang aming cruise along Halong Bay dito sa Hanoi. Ayan, pauwi na po kami ng hotel na tinutuluyan namin. So, ayan, nandiyan na po ang lahat at talaga namang pagod na. Sulit naman, worth it naman ang pagod. it was a very nice experience, I would say. Kaya ayan. So hanggang dito na lang po mga kababayan. Hanggang sa muli nating video. Thank you. Bye.